So Suno V5 is a total game changer. And the Suno team told the community that, and I'm paraphrasing here, prompts which worked well with earlier models may not translate the same way with V5. They told us to treat it as fresh territory, to experiment, adjust, and see what resonates now. While that is absolutely great advice, it got me thinking. We brought you 2 videos before, filled with pro tips to master Suno AI, and you guys loved them. So the big question is, do those pro tips still work with the V5 model? Let's test them and find out. First up, ad-libs. We used to add things like, yeah, in parentheses, or ad-lib, woo, in brackets, to add a little bit of energy to our songs. Let's see if V5 still gets it. Here in advanced controls, we will keep the weirdness at 0% and style influence at 100% for our testing, because we are trying to customize our songs here and don't need unexpected wild results. Here's the prompt I'm using. I will keep the style as upbeat and hit generate. And here we are. Let's listen. Yep, it works perfectly. We could hear both ad-libs and both prompting methods were recognized. 1 down. Next, instrumental intros. We used intro or instrumental to stop the song from starting with vocals right away. Let's test that now. Here's the prompt. Let's play it.
The winter rain begins to fall, tapping softly on the window pane.
Okay, as you see, Suno has not identified the command we just gave it, and we do not hear any cello notes up front in the intro. The song started straight up with the vocals. But wait, could it be because we have specified the style to be upbeat? Okay, so let's try once more with the same prompt, but with giving Suno to decide on a suitable style.
The winter rain begins to fall, tapping softly on the window pane. Another long night, waiting for your call, hoping to see you again.
Wow, now we have a beautiful instrumental intro of a cello, building up the atmosphere for our song. It didn't start right away with the vocals like before. So, yes, this pro tip still works on V5, but you have to make sure your style matches the vibe that your lyrics demand, or maybe give that freedom to Suno itself to decide. This is a big one. Can we still control the song's energy? We use tags like build up, crescendo, and pause to create tension. Let's test them all at once, and we will continue without specifying a style. The prompt is, let's see if the V5 model follows these commands.
Just a quiet whisper, a growing rumble, until we break through and step into the light.
Wow, the result was amazing. We could definitely hear a build up to the next line, and it gradually got louder where we specified for a crescendo, and the flow had a pause just like we asked for. Finally, the song went into a high-energy vibe after the last line. Everything sounded so natural. So yes, with this pro tip, we still have control over the song dynamics. Yay! What about spoken word sections? The spoken word tag was great for adding contrast, just a bit of spice with speaking words without music in background. Let's try it. Here's the prompt. Let's hear it.
The city sleeps beneath a silver moon. The street lights hum a lonely tune. They say this town can break your heart. I guess I'm about to find out. But I'll keep walking through the night, guided by the pale moonlight.
Perfect. It switched from singing to spoken word and back again without any issue. That's another pass. As you know, with advanced options, you can select the gender for your song's vocals, male or female. But can we still create duets? We used to define a male voice and a female voice, then combine them in a chorus. Here's the prompt for that test. And here we are.
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
And maybe this could be the start of something new. A story written in the sky just for me and you.
That was a bit weird, no? I mean, yes, mission accomplished. We had both male and female voices separately, and both of them singing a duet as well. But the problem was, we heard a female voice where we specified a male voice, and we heard a male voice where we specified a female voice. What is up with that? Was it difficult for Suno to identify characteristics? Should we give a little support? Let's try that. Here we go.
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
And maybe this could be the start of something new. A story written in the sky just for me and you.
And no, it is still switching the genders, but we have a duet at the chorus. So yeah, after all, the tip worked. We got a duet, but it didn't work 100% perfectly as we wanted. Can we still tell the band what to do? Let's try to add an instrument break, like a guitar solo, using a simple tag. This is the prompt. Let's see if we get a solo.
Oh, we're running wild under the sun. This feeling's just begun. Living life like it's on the run.
There it is, an electric guitar solo right where we asked for it. So yes, with this tip, you can still control the instruments in the V5 model. Last test. Can we still make a chorus sound huge with layered vocals? And can we control the tempo with a BPM tag? Here's the final prompt. Let's listen to the result.
One step at a time, moving to the rhythm. Yeah, we're leaving all our doubts behind us. We are invincible tonight, shining like a blinding light. Everything is gonna be alright.
The tempo is about right, and the chorus is big and layered, just like we asked. That's a final pass. So despite what the Suno team said about old prompts, it looks like almost all our pro tips still work in the V5 model. I will be back with part 2 of this video soon as well, testing 8 more pro tips on the V5 model. Feel free to check out my video of complete coverage on the V5 update, because I must say that the V5 model is quite impressive, especially with much more authentic vocals, resulting in higher quality songs. So don't completely abandon the old tricks, keep experimenting, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite tip from above. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.